Okay, this is a very beautiful plant with special meaning to me. My mom passed away a couple of weeks ago, and of course we had a lot of people that sent flowers and plants, and so we divvied up the plants among the siblings. The issue with, I've got one of the most beautiful ones. It has a combination of a lot of different plants in here. We have this type. I think I counted 7 different types of plants in this one arrangement. The problem with that is they are too crowded in the pot that it's in. So I need to transplant them out because they're crowding and as you can see where they're suffering from being their roots are bound. So anyway, so my next project that I'm making is I am going to take this and separate them out, and it's going to go with my country theme. So I can't wait to see what y'all see what I have in mind. Just follow along, please. Okay, part of my plant project is going to be this cute little cow. It goes with the farm theme. I don't want to give away what I'm going to do with him, but it's going to be so cute. I also got this cute little doll outfit that has kind of got its little overalls with a little cap. He's going to be wearing, it's got a little tractor on it. So I'm going to make him a farmer cow. That's part of it, or anyway, country cow for sure. So I'm going to dress him up now. Isn't he just the cutest? He has his little cap on, his little ears stick out. So I wish his horns could stick out, but they wouldn't fit. But it fits him so cute. This is from one of those Build-A-Bear. Oh my goodness, his tail's out there. Too bad I don't have a slot for his tail. That would have been really cute. I think I'm gonna cut one because that makes part of him. But anyway, he looks so cute, don't you think? I bet you're curious what I'm going to do with him. We'll see. Okay, so there you have it. My cow is driving his little wagon, and the little baby cow is hanging on for dear life. Anyway, these are my plants now. I think they turned out well. They look happier. I have a couple of pots below too as well, but I have my chicken, well, he's a rooster pot here, galvanized rooster pot. I also have this cute little chicken pot here. This plant I don't think he's going to do well. I've got him in a milk pail bucket, but I don't think he's doing well. I'm not sure what he is, but I looked him up and I can't find him, so I got to figure out what's wrong with him. But anyway, I got the chicken, and the ivy is in the cart with the cows, and then I have milk pail and some whiskey looking barrel planters, and sit back here. So that's the new flower arrangements, and that's how they turned out.